And it shows the neurodiversity, how everyone is included together to form by one heart. And this is an 8. This also has various colors, so it shows the same. Together as a community, we come together and support all kinds of individuals and all kinds of diversities. We will get a beautiful picture like this. So that is the theme of the Pure Festival. And delayed speech. Okay, so we have taking classes in this and he's doing much improvement because of that.
So what is he has done today?
He has interest in cooking.
Okay.
So just he has made a corn chart.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
My name is Lian Castro and I'm the owner of the business Twisted Strings. I started the business in 2020 and it's been going on for 5 years. I'm completely based on Instagram and the name of my business is Twisted Strings _. And from there I've started doing small designs initially, but now I do different business logos. I do wedding string arts, and besides that Manchester logos. So for now, today we are come here to do a community event for autism, since it's the Autism Awareness Month going on. So we are here to do a heart with different colors, like you can see, and down we have an 8 which shows different colors. So here it shows how the different communities are involved in the Autism Awareness Month.
Hi, my name is Kenisha Fernandez and I live in Ribandar, but I work at the Owl House in Aldona. So what we are essentially is a neurodiverse skilling center, which means that we work with individuals that have conditions such as autism, ADHD, intellectual disabilities, and we work with a range of students. Our age group also ranges from 13 to 42. At the end of the day, all we want to do is we want to help our students gain skills that they could use in a job setting, so that they can become more meaningful parts of the community, right? And all of our students are capable of so much. It's just about finding the skill that they're good at and honing in on that, and then working towards upskilling that skill, right? And that's kind of what we do here at the Owl House. We run 3 professional skills: store management and production, where the students run our store. They also produce items such as garlic chili oil and teas. We have gardening and food cultivation, which is our second professional skill, and gardening and food. We have a nursery which the students maintain. We also have an edible garden. So plants are harvested from the edible garden and taken to the cafe, which we set up in October last year. And at the cafe, the students, they run the entire cafe by themselves. We also happen to be Goa's first neurodiverse run cafe. The students manage everything right from the cooking to the service to even the billing and accounting for the cafe. All we're trying to show the world is that, our students are capable of being able to do all of these typical jobs, and they just need to be given the opportunity, and just like a little bit of extra effort needs to be taken in learning and training them. And once they have that training, they're able to do the same job that any other person can do as well.
How many people do you have?
आज आम्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसा, नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, आणि आम्ही स्टेट लेवल फंक्शन करता फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग वर्ल्ड ऑटिझम अवेअरनेस मंथ, विच इज इन द मंथ ऑफ एप्रिल. ओके, आणि ह्या प्रोग्रामा अंतर आम्ही खुबशे धाकटे प्रोग्राम्स अरेंज केल्या. तुमकां म्हज्या फाटल्यान एक फोटो बूथ दिसता, ताचेरूय खुबशे इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा अबाउट ऑटिझम. ऑटिझम म्हणजे आमची ल्हान भुरगीं जी आसा ती अजून उलयना, अजून सारकी वागना, अजून मनशांक हडकिनात, आय टू आय कॉन्टॅक्ट दिना, तांकां भौतेक ऑटिझम आसपाक शकता आनी ह्या हाजे डायग्नोसीस डिस्ट्रिक्ट दोनाय डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांनी जाता. सो हांव डॉक्टर विभा पार्सेकर, हांव नोडल ऑफिसर फॉर नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल DEIC डिस्ट्रिक्ट अर्ली इंटरव्हेन्शन सेंटर आनी म्हजे बरोबर आसा डॉक्टर एलिस्का डिसा, ही नोडल ऑफिसर फॉर साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल डिस्ट्रिक्ट अर्ली इंटरव्हेन्शन सेंटर. सो ह्या दोनाय सेंटराचेर ऑटिझमचे किंवा आनीक कसले भुरग्याक त्रास आसा, डेव्हलपमेंटल इश्यूज आसा फ्रॉम 0 to 18 years ते आमी डायग्नोज करतात आनी ताजे प्रमाणे भुरग्याक जाय तसो आमी उपचार प्रोवायड करता. आमचे कडेन स्पेशलिस्ट आसा, सायकोलॉजिस्ट आसा, ऑटिझम इंटरव्हेन्शनिस्ट आसा, ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपिस्ट आसा, स्पेशल एड्युकेटर्स आसा. सो हांगा भुरग्याचो फूल डेव्हलपमेंटल फोकस जाता. हो भुरगो आमचो रेग्युलर स्कुलान बाकीची भुरगीं ज्या स्कुलान वतात त्या स्कुलान पावचो म्हणून आमचो उद्देश आसता. आयच्या ह्या प्रोग्रामाचो उद्देश इतलोच की हे ऑटिझम आसता आनी ते रायट टायमार डायग्नोज जाले, ताजो पर्टिक्युलर त्या प्रमाणे ट्रिटमेंट जालो, ह्या भुरग्याचो फ्युचर खूब खूब ब्रायट आसपाक शकता. हो अवेरनेस आमी आज हॉस्पिटलांत क्रिएट केला.
माझे नाव सतीश सुभाष केळकर आणि हांव लॉकडाऊनसून येयला आणि आमी हांगा आयज ऑटिझम अवेरनेस डे सेलिब्रेशन करपाक येयला आणि आमी हांगा कॅफे हाडला आणि माझे फ्रेंड्सूय येयला. आणि ऑटिझम हे अशें आसा की हांगा कोणूय काम करूं शकता. ऑटिझम असलें म्हणून काय ना, कोणूय काम करूं शकता, कोणूय शिकोवंक शकता. अशें की लोक घरान बसपाचें आनी आमी भायर येवन सुद्दां आमचे भुरगे काम करूं शकता. आनी अशें हांव एक न्यूरो डायवर्स आनी म्हाकाय विलियम सिंड्रोम आसा आनी हांवूय एक कॅफेन काम करता. थँक्यू.